So it's no secret that filmmaking has a lot more elements than photography. A lot more things you have to think about, a lot more things you have to control, and a lot more things you have to edit and put together for a final product. It's something that I've learned a lot about as I've tried to transition from purely photography to more filmmaking and photography hybrid. And one of the things that I didn't think I was gonna struggle so much with was font choice and titles. And here's the thing, a lot of the fonts that come preloaded onto your computer, they're just kind of plain. They're not very interesting, they're the ones you see over and over, or they're just downright bad, and they just take away and are kind of distracting from your video if you use them. So early on in this channel, I scoured the internet looking for interesting and eye-catching fonts that I could use in my videos, and I wanna share some of those with all of y'all today. Now, before I actually show you the fonts, I do have to make a disclaimer that some of these fonts are entirely free to download and to use. Some of these fonts are paid, and so if you download the free versions of them, you may not get all of the characters, and there may be different licensing or copyright requirements that you will have to abide by. So just make sure whatever font you use before you use it in your video or in a commercial project, make sure you are understanding what you can and can't do with that font, because there are certain ones that you have to pay for in order to use. But without further ado, let's take a look at some of my personal favorite fonts to use in videos. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. It's a nice short and sweet video for this week. That was kind of just an excuse for me to put a bunch of clips together, just some music and some cool fonts, just kind of play around a little bit. But hope you guys found that helpful as well. Hope you guys discovered some new cinematic fonts that you'll be using in your next videos. So here's where I'm gonna ask for help from you guys, because I am always searching for new and interesting fonts to use in videos. So if you have a font that you really enjoy, that you think looks great, that is cinematic, let me know what it's called down below and I will give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and help boost this video with the YouTube algorithm gods. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications as well. All right, guys, I will see y'all in the next one.